Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing a sixth chapter in a geography, that is a manufacturing industry. Today we are going to discuss, that is mineral based industry. We are discussing in that cement industry. So cement is nowadays it is a very essential thing which is for to the construction of the different types of constructed buildings, that is houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dam, and other commercial establishment. They are the maybe the malls, complex, the different areas. We are the using nowadays cement. So in this cement industry, the required bulky raw materials, that is um, one is one is limestone, silica, and gypsum, coal, and electrical powder are the needed apart from a rail transportation. So the limestone, silica, and gypsum, these are a main raw material. Along with that, for to the manufacturing these cement, they are the needed a coal and electrical power. Yes, electricity is needed for the all the industries. Here also electricity is needed, as well as the transportation. The maybe that is a rail, or maybe it is a road transportation. The rail transportation or the road transportation is needed for the send those cement, the cement, bulky cements for to the other areas. So this one industries where it is located, the where they are the given the more importance for to the location, that is a Gujarat. It is a suitable uh, access to the market in the Gulf countries. It is the nearer, and they are making a suitable planet, that is a Gujarat. So first cement factory, it was launched in a Chennai. It was planted in a Chennai in a 1904. After the independence, that these cement industry, it is expanded very rapidly and very they are expanded because of the construction of engineering works. They are the given the more importance in a 5-year plan. The second 5-year plan, they are the given importance for to the after the independence, for to the development of the dams as well as the roads. They are the given importance, and the development of the industries, they are the given the importance in that 5-year plans. So the cement industry has developed very largely. So improvement in this quality has found in a produced readily available in a market. The where improvement East Asia, Middle Asia, Africa, and South Asia. Apart from the large demand within the country, we are having the more demand of this cement. Yes, and this industry is doing well terms and production as well as exporting. What the we are manufacturing that cement, we are exporting to the other countries also. So the here in this cement industry, they are having a lot of the demands, and the supplying the order in these um, uh, to the other countries also, not other countries, in in our countries also we are the supplying these cement. For the reference, you can refer 10th grade geography textbook. Thank you.